Welcome to the M&O TheoryFix question and answer catch-up series. Missed our TikTok live? Don't worry. This is your official catch-up replay. Learn at your own pace with our Viper method. And if you're new, welcome aboard. Now, let's dive in.
Sign means no stopping.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Who can tell me this, guys? What is this? Number 4. Number 4, guys. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. I'm not saying answer. What is number 4? Somebody's saying no overtaking. Everybody's saying no overtaking. Yeah, Auntie saying overtaking. Chichi Lokpa is saying no overtaking. Auntie No is saying no overtaking. Everybody's writing with confidence. Oluwayun is saying no overtaking. Lovely. Lovely. Good. What about number 2, guys? What is number 2 saying? Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. I passed my joy the first attempt. Yeah, I am the queen. I trust you. Guys, let us all congratulate and the queen. She passed her exam. Let's congratulate her, guys. Let's congratulate her. It's not easy to pass. Yes, let's congratulate her, guys. Let's celebrate her the way you would be celebrated, guys. Let's celebrate her the way you will celebrate. I'm so happy for you. We are happy for you. Guys, let's celebrate her the way you will be celebrated. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Congratulations to you. Could you tell us some of your experience? What happened? Is it the same question? Is it the same thing? Let us know, okay? If you come across any of the questions we're having here, let us know that this question came out, okay? Lovely. Thank you so much, everybody. Congratulations to you. Yeah. What? Let's come back now. What's this one saying, guys? Yes, don't give up. Never be God, guys. Never give up. Never give up. No car, no motor vehicle. That's the word. Good. No motor vehicle is not overtaken. We are talking about number 2. No car, no motor vehicle. Lovely. Lovely. It was the same question. Lovely. Guys, have you heard that? Same question. But why are people failing when it is same question? Because they trick it. They change things. Okay? Okay, guys. You have to attend classes. You have to attend YouTube. You have to attend TikTok. You have to attend to know more. You have to do more practice, guys. Same question. Yeah, what about number 3, guys? What about number 3? What about this one? Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Someone is saying national speed limit. Chichilokwa is saying national speed limit. Everyone is writing with confidence. National speed limit. And the Kiwi saying national speed limit. Sugar girl, national speed limit. My man, national speed limit. Anthony, national speed limit. Amen, national speed limit. Everybody is writing with confidence. Everyone is answering with confidence, guys. What about this one, guys? Who can tell me this one? What about this one, guys? It's not no entering, guys. What about this one? So people are messing it up. I can see no stopping. I can see no waiting. I can see no stopping. I can see no waiting. End of speed limit. No waiting. Lovely. Guys, this is no entering. This is at the middle. Okay? When is at the middle? What does this mean? This is at the middle. This is slants, okay? Yeah. No waiting, no entering. Okay? Good. No stopping. Okay, guys, let's move on. Let's move on. If you are confused about these two, type 1. If you're confused about no waiting, no stopping, write 1 on the comment section, guys. If you understand it, write 2. If you want me to explain to you more, write 3. Guys, if you're confusing about this, no stopping, no waiting, write 1. I will explain to you. I will explain to you, guys. This is why you're in this class. If you're confusing about no waiting, no stopping, write 1. I will help you out. I'll just quickly explain to you. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. There are 2 things you need to look after there. No waiting, no stopping. It's very simple, okay? Okay, let's quickly look into it. It's very simple. It's a very simple thing, guys. No waiting, no stopping. Let me see, where do I put it? Okay, sign. Okay. All right, it's very simple, guys. Let me see. Don't know why I kept it. Okay. It's very simple. It's just 2 things. So for you, those who I don't understand, it's very simple, okay? So if this cross line, just 1, thank you so much for the like, okay? It just cross, just single. It's telling you no stopping, okay? No stopping is this one. It's got no waiting, rather. No waiting. You can drop someone on this line. You can drop someone and go, okay? No waiting. But when it is this one, no stopping. Don't stop, okay? No stopping. That's all. That's just the thing different between both of them. This one is the when you go across, you say no waiting, okay? It's very simple. Then when you have the X, you know, X mean cancel or no, all right? X mean cancel. No, 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 no stopping, okay? That's just as simple. It's very easy, all right? Good. If you understand now, say 1. That will know. Just type 1. If you understand it now better, just type 1, okay? Lovely. Thank you so much. Lovely. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on.
You're driving on a motorway. What does it mean if the car in front shows its hazard warning lights for a short time? The driver wants you to overtake. Traffic ahead is slowing or stopping suddenly. There's a police speed check ahead. The other car is going to change lanes.
Oh, you fail your hazard perception. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Advice. Yeah, join the master class. We have a master class, guys. If you are struggling with your theory test, you are struggling with your hazard perception, you are struggling with your road sign, we have a master class. We always join. If you want to join the master class, send me a DM and say master class, okay? It's just £20 because you'll be in my class. It's £20. Yeah, it's just £20 for the discount. You want to learn more?
If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your next question in the comments. Watch the next video now to stay on track. Each one gets you closer to passing your test.